What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to show you how to change a keycap on a Ducky. This is a Ducky Maya Pro keyboard. This will apply to any Ducky keyboards, and changing the keys on it are actually, or the keycaps on it are actually fairly easy. Generally they come with some. These are the ones that mine came with. So you have a little bit of extras. Most all of the keyboards that I've bought new that are Ducky always came with some type of extra keycaps. So basically what you do, it's pretty simple. You have a little tool here to remove them, and you just wrap it around it and pull up. And that's it. These are pretty well-built keycaps. These are PBT double shot keycaps, which basically means they're going to last for the rest of your life. They're very durable. You can see the cherry key switch down here. This is a Cherry MX. This is a brown switch. There's brown, blue, red, silver, green. There's all kinds of different ones out there. And basically what you do is you just put the keycap on and push it down, and you're done. Pretty simple. Again, nothing too fancy. Just put the tool in here. I believe you can do it the other way too. It's not rocket science. You just try to get it around it and pull up. Remove it and just put the other one back on. And that's it, guys. Pretty simple stuff. I guess we can go ahead and do one of these middle ones while we're here. So they just pull off, and then if you wanted this one in there, I don't know why you would do that, but you just put it in there like that, you're done. So real simple. Again, these are pretty well-built keycaps, so it'll be pretty difficult to actually ruin one of them, but be careful. I mean, if you like your keyboards, just be careful with them. But that's it. That is how you change a keycap on a Ducky keyboard. It's pretty simple. This should apply for most keyboards out there. At least mechanical Cherry MX ones, they're all pretty similar. That's it, guys. If you have any comments, questions, feel free to leave them below, and I will get back to you. Have a good weekend, and see you guys next time.